It's impossible to make sense of all the data generated every day. So it's very important to have the help of systems that can help the supermarkets, help the retailers.
So many retailers, they have so many decisions to make, replenishment, sourcing. That can be really hard. How does AI help them go from reacting to a problem that may happen suddenly versus predicting when that problem is going to occur?
It's very important to make sense of all this big data that is generated every day. So in the grocery retail, for example, there are so many different products, so many things happening, so many stores in different regions with different challenges. So if you really have good systems that are verticalized, really understand the problems in a deeper way, and then can kind of filter all the things that are happening to show you what you really focus, what your focus should be, that will really make a big difference. And that's what we see in our customers that use our solutions. And AI have a really important role on that, because you can not only react to the problems, like check reports, but really have suggestions of what can be done. For example, promotions and all kinds of things to prevent problems and to have a really bottom line effective in a positive way.
So what I'm hearing you say is that all this data comes in, and when you have systems in place, they can let you know earlier when a problem is going to emerge so you can respond before you're in a desperate situation. Is that accurate?
Exactly. So, for example, in supply chain, it's very hard to predict consumer behavior. So sometimes buyers do their best job to have the right products and the right time at the right stores, but they are not being sold as predicted. So you have to act on that, and you have to act quickly. So the AI agents can just tell them where they should transfer the products to have greater results. And so the products can be where they should be for the consumers that are looking for them.
BlueSoft, your company, you work with retailers that have really complex systems, like the grocery store chain that you mentioned. How does the modern cloud architecture help all the elements of that system work together?
We realized very early that the ERP is a very huge, complex system, and for each functionality, for each feature of a ERP, there is a startup trying to solve only that small thing. And it's very important to have good APIs so the customers can be connected and use like more verticalized, specialized solutions connected with their ERP. We have more than 100 different partners helping us to better serve our customers. So integration is key to really have the best in class technology
Mhm.
to have good results.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.